Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We have new screwdriver day, and I wanted to share these because I've been kind of sharing my little kit I've been putting together for metric stuff at my job. And the other day I shared the vessel bit driver, and these were some screwdrivers that they had they're made pretty different, so I wanted to try them. And I'm about to open them right now, and you got to see what's what. So apparently all of the they feel nice, but here is all of is it just repeated? Yeah, I guess it's just repeated in a couple different languages there. That's cool. Big indicators there on the end. It is. Apparently the slotted has the orange rubber and the Phillips has the red rubber. This set was, I think, 35 bucks. 1 by 6 by 100. Come on, bro. 0.8 by 5 by 75. That's cool. They got flat spots on them too, so they can only go so far without rolling off of. That didn't stop. The flat spots will help it to sit and not roll off of something. I don't know, I like that. And from what I saw, these don't have the shoulder that comes all the way down, so they fit in tighter spaces. It's supposed to be, it's a big thick number 3 right there, boy. Yeah, P3 by 150. I like this guy. It's got a damn show enough 5mm. It's cool. Most time something this small is going to give you probably a 3mm wide. I got some 3 by 100 weehaws that I used for control wire stuff. But no, I'm digging those. I'll have to. It'd be nice if, of course, this is, that's what I was looking at. It's got a, is that a 5mm also? Is that what that was? 6mm. Yeah, so it's got big, wide slotted blades on there. And the handle is strange. It's not bad though. Like, it's not bad. We'll have to see how it goes. 100s are about the max length that I can stick in my bag. So I'll probably already have some. I end up may going with these guys because those are pretty big tips on there compared to a normal 100mm long insulated screwdriver. But anyway, I just wanted to share these guys. Looks like they're going to be pretty decent. I'll let you know how these things go once I have took some stuff apart, put them back together. But in the meantime, if you guys want to do some nerd out reading, vessel, check them out. Japanese made. Alright guys, later.